hides it, and flyers from schools, hospitals. Makes this incredibly challenging. The daily toll on civilians in Gaza, particularly on children, is far too high. We want this to happen as soon as possible. Phase transition of Israel. These are all our desperate rights for how Israel might change. It's a central goal of the Joint October 7th. We have an assessment mission. It will determine what needs to be done to allow displaced Palestinians to return safely to the homes of the North. Now, this is not going to happen overnight.